So how do you make collage in iPhone's Instagram? Let's get started. So naturally, just locate and open up the Instagram app and go either to the creation section for stories, or you can go to the Reels section, right? So you can go there, or as you can see, these are the available options. Now, obviously, you can also just go to the post, but there you don't really have the same options. But when you go to the camera section, you can see that part of the story, we have a little grid icon, which is called the layout. And this layout thing gives you the ability to put together a little collage. So you can capture either the individual parts of the of the scene or whatever, but you can also just change the grid. So you can see we have like different options for the grids, not that many, but at least like 6, which you can tweak. So this is built in directly to the Instagram app. As you can see, it is part of the story creation section as well as Reel, where again, you have the same grids. You can capture either photos or videos, and this is how you can make this collage directly within the Instagram application. Of course, once you're done, you can then perform the regular edits and apply filters, text, whatever, and of course, upload it directly to your story or reel. So that's how you can do this. Of course, there are also some third-party apps which are specifically designed for the collage making of your photos on the iPhone. But if this works well for you, I would just recommend you to stick with that. This is free. There isn't going to be any watermark on the Instagram. So yeah, that's going to be about it from me as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.